Hey buddy, I want to show you about the screener I told you before. We go to this tab, stock screener, and we change it to crypto screener. We can maximize it, or also go to TradingView website, and on the screeners tab we go to crypto screeners. So with these two steps we can go to crypto screener. So what do we need here? First of all, we have to go here and add these columns. These are my custom columns, which we use them and trade with them. Average volume 10 days, average volume 30 days, and change in percentage, and last price, and relative volume, and volume. And after that, we sort them by relative volume. You see all the columns here, and I sort them by relative volume ascending, which means the most volume appears higher. So also we go to filters, and I filtered out only Binance account, only Binance exchange, and then I have one ticker here. So also we can change the time interval here. On free accounts we have only 1 day. So what does it mean? And after that you can save this interface, save your columns for faster accessibility. For example, here I set performance. Let me see. The columns change, the features change, but what we need is futures, which I named it myself, and we have a Binance exchange setup, and I set search here for futures. We have to find futures for scalping. USDT tab. As you can see, we have 137 matches, which are all in Binance futures. And also for faster accessibility, you can put a ribbon, put red flags on them. Like me, I set all the futures account red flag, and if I delete the search even and search by thicker and put it to red, most of the futures coins come up here, showing up here. And so what is the purpose of it? For example, we have GTC USDT PEP for the first one with relative volume 2.19, which is above 1, and you see it here, and the average volume in 30 days is around 11 million, and average volume in 10 days around 5 million, and the volume right now in this interval is 10 million, which is so much in single day. So we have to watch these coins, which are appears above of our lists among relative volume sort, and we can go fast to see the charts for any scalping method, and that's it. If I figure out I missed anything, I will let you know. So just prepare your screener and ask me if you have any questions.